Why consultants are critical for food quality assurance program success. A food safety consultant can provide expertise not available in an internal quality department, help you identify and address areas where your program may need improvement, and assist efficiently. What are the differences between food safety consultants and quality assurance? A food safety consultant has years of experience in the food industry and understands food safety procedures. A quality assurance staff member may have been educated in food safety but does not have the expertise to conduct detailed. A good food safety program requires a team effort from many members, including a consultant who can help with all aspects of your program and ensure it runs. Consultants are critical to ensuring that your food quality assurance program runs successfully because they have years of experience working in the food and understand how best to structure an effective program. By having a consultant working with your staff, you'll reduce stress on other team members and be better equipped for any potential issues during inspections. 1. Food safety consultant help when you have an existing quality department. A food safety consultant can help you implement proper food safety protocols and provide training and support to maintain your food quality assurance program. Some common services offered by our SFPM consultants include: 1. Inspecting your facility for potential hazards. 2. Conducting audit. 3. Providing training. 4. Creating or modifying procedures. 5. Developing management systems. The benefits of working with a consultant are manifold. Not only will our experience make them an invaluable asset during the implementation process, but also, over time, we'll develop expertise in specific areas that may complement yours, thereby helping reduce overall staff reliance on. 2. Consultant provides food safety expertise not available in the internal quality department. SFPM consultants can help identify early problems and improve the food safety program. Additionally, we can train employees on how to handle food correctly. When establishing or revising a food quality assurance program, it is important to consider hiring an experienced consultant who has experience working with various aspects of. 1. SFPM consultant helps to conduct audits. Our consultant will conduct thorough audits of your current system and evaluate alternatives that could improve performance while minimizing. 2. SFPM consultant helps to manage risk. We can help manage risks during all phases of your food safety management system. Food inspection and certification audit will minimize exposure to legal liability. 3. SFPM consultant helps to maintain effective communication. Our SFPM consultants have years of experience working with individuals, teams and corporate communication structures, and have developed strategies for translating complex food safety management systems. 3. SFPM consultants can complement food quality assurance programs with their focus on specific areas of interest. Our consultants can be hired to work on specific areas of knowledge and focus on filling in any gaps. We can help supplement your existing food quality assurance program in several ways. We can guide how to design and implement an effective system for monitoring food production, assist with training employees on proper food handling procedures, or act as expert witness. By working together, SFPM Consulting and your internal department can improve and expand your current food safety program while meeting customer demand for safe and. If you're looking to bolster your food safety program but don't have the resources or expertise, consider consulting with a reputable consultant like SFPM. So if you're looking for an extra boost in your food safety efforts, contact us at info@spmfood. So if you're looking for an extra boost in your food safety efforts, contact us at info@spmfood. So if you're looking for an extra boost in your food safety efforts, contact us at info@sfpm. So if you're looking for an extra boost in your food safety efforts, contact us at info@sfpm.